In this last example, let's remember what it meant for a system of equations to be dependent. In this case, x plus 2y equals 5, 2x plus 4y equals 10. Notice that these are actually the same equation. Like if you were to take the first one and multiply both sides by 2, you'd get the second equation, right? So in this case, we actually have that the two lines are indeed the same line, one right on top of the other. So we have that they're the same line. And we said in this case that we have infinitely many solutions. So that's if we were to graph it, we would notice that. But what if we were using the method of addition or the method of substitution, and I wasn't anticipating that they'd be the same exact line. So suppose I have x plus 2y equals 5 and 2x plus 4y equals 10. And I might think I'll take this top equation and multiply it by, say, a negative 2, because that would give me a negative 2x, which I could add to the 2x to eliminate the x's. So by multiplying that to both sides of the equation, I would get negative 2x plus 2y equals minus 4y, because negative 2 times 2y is minus 4y, equals negative 10, and then the second equation would stay as is, 2x plus 4y equals 10. So now when I go ahead and add the two equations together, negative 2x plus 2x is 0. Negative 4y plus 4y is 0. So I'll just write a 0 on this side, equals negative 10 plus 10 is also 0. So notice what happens. Add the two equations together, all the variables go away, and it leaves me with a true statement. So it doesn't matter what x and y are, this statement is always true. So in this case, we say that the system is dependent and we have infinitely many solutions. The same thing would happen if we had done the method of substitution. So suppose we take equation number 1, x plus 2y equals 5. Okay. And let's solve for, say, x. It's the easier thing to solve for. I'll subtract 2y from both sides to get x equals negative 2y plus 5. And now let's plug that in to equation number 2, which is 2x plus 4y equals 10. So again, I'm going to replace x with this quantity, negative 2y plus 5. So I get 2 times negative 2y plus 5 plus 4y equals 10. Now let's simplify. Multiplying the 2 in, you get negative 4y plus 10 plus 4y equals 10. Combining like terms, negative 4y plus 4y is 0. And so we're just left with 10 on the left equals 10 on the right, which again is a true statement. So if you're solving either by addition or substitution and you end up with an equation not involving any variables that's just true for all values, then we can say it's a dependent system and we have infinitely many solutions.